Who is it for? I would recommend this course as an addition to the Passive Income Planner Girl. Michelle's tutorials in Passive Income Planner Girl are crystal clear, and you don't necessarily need this kit. I had a 6-month-old while taking this course, and I just simply didn't have the time to follow the tutorials from Passive Income Planner Girl and make the planner from scratch. That's why I bought this course too. I loved that Michelle offered the done for you templates in this course so that I could just edit my own colors and add my own clip art to make her planner my own. Why get this course? It took me about 2 hours max to get my planners listed on Etsy after using her templates, whereas it might have taken me days if I did it on my own. Michelle and Amy both have the eye for graphic design too, and what they have provided here in the digital planner template kit is much prettier than what I would have come up with on my own. Therefore, I recommend getting this course in addition to Passive Income Planner Girl. Or, if you already know how to sell on Etsy but you just want to add planners, you could consider getting this digital planner kit course too without Passive Income Planner Girl. Of course, the Zone of Genius lessons and the Planner Girl personas are reasons to get the Passive Income Planner Girl course too, even if you already know how to sell on Etsy and market on Pinterest. What's in the course? They have included digital planner templates for Apple Keynote for Mac, eCloud Keynote for PC, Affinity Publisher for Mac or PC, InDesign for Mac or PC. They really have all of the main software for making planners covered here in this course. They have included Etsy listing image and Pinterest marketing templates for Canva, free online tool, Apple Keynote for Mac. What's not in the course? This course does not teach you how to sell on Etsy or guide you through the vision of creating your Etsy product like the Passive Income Planner Girl course.